Hello, welcome to the featured video of customized thank you pages. General level settings for whole store. Go to the Settings tab, inside the WooCommerce tab. Click on a Customize Thank You Pages tab and go to the General Settings tab. Here you can enable Custom Thank You Page, redirect to Custom Page Product Category, or External URL. Select the General Page, Title Font Size, Title Font Color, Table Header Background Color, and Table Header Font Color. Now go to the Payment Methods tab. Here you can set redirect URL for all payment methods when any of them selected during checkout. Now go to the Shortcode tab. Here you can copy shortcode and paste on any custom thank you page. Rule-based settings. Go to the Thank You Page Rule tab inside the WooCommerce tab. Here you can create multiple rules for Thank You Page. For Add New Rule, click on a Add New Thank You Page rule and configure the following. Rule name, enable custom rule, set rule priority, apply rule to specific product or categories, redirect to custom page, product, category, or external URL, and select page. Add page for custom thank you page. Let's have a look at the front end.